Hey guys, I'm here to do a bike check today of my Haro 2010 Haro 3 edition. We're gonna start from the back. Of a Hyper tire on it. Haro rim. Like I said, the Haro 2010 frame. Haro puck seat. Haro chain wheel. Crazy rainbow chain. Haro crank arms, Haro pedals. Moving up, I have a DK rim with the Haro tire, Haro forks. Stolen bars that were originally green. I didn't like the green. Painted them black. And to finish it off, I have the Aaron Ross Odyssey keyboard grips. And that's my bike in the Haro stem. And yeah, it's pretty much with the Haro hubs. And that's my bike. Thanks.